Hey, good morning. It's Julie, Wednesday, May 13th, 6:26 a.m. Central. Taking a look at the market for crude oil. Today on our calendar for May 13th, we have the EIA report coming out. And the forecast is for a very small increase in the amount on inventory. The EIA report measures the weekly change in the number of barrels of commercial crude held by U.S. firms. The level of inventories influences the price of petroleum products, which can have an impact on inflation. So we're expecting a small increase in the inventories. Now, last week we had a decrease in the inventories and the market tanked. So go figure. I just somehow sometimes don't understand reading these reports, but so we should have a neutral, muted report today. Our surprise will come if we have a big number on this, so we could get a big reaction. What I'm seeing for pre-market is we're holding our consolidation for yesterday's rise. We're going to be opening above yesterday's value area, which is between 60.79 and 59.85. This is the regular trading session value area. Our midline point of control is at 60.32. We do have this air pocket here between the point of control and the value area low, which I think price will get down here today to explore. One thing to note about crude lately trading, as was pointed out by a great trader on CNBC yesterday, is crude is trading the same way the euro is trading. And the euro right now, if I can get my chart to work for me, looks like it's in a head and shoulders pattern. So I've got the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. And again, I'm expecting this to break like crude and come down. So I think both the euro and crude are going to start tanking. Just my guess. I learned long ago, don't fight the Fed and listen to the Goldman Sachs. Their report says crude's coming back down, and I believe them. So for my levels today, I'll be looking at price breaking right here at the value area low and bouncing. So when we get down to 59.85, I'm going to be looking for a reaction before we get to yesterday's low to test that. So fill in this air pocket is my goal for today. And first things first, bring price down to test yesterday's value area high. Now, if we get a bounce out of here, hot and heavy right here, then this is going to be extremely bullish. But that's going to take me by surprise, and I'll be scratching my head as I'm hitting the buy button. How I trade this intraday is very, very, very simple. I trade value areas. Let me pull up my smaller tick chart so you can see. If I am outside value like yesterday, this is a regular trading hour value area high, low, and point of control. If you're trading outside the regular session value area, just go with it and trend trade. The time you want to two-way trade and trade down to these previous value locations is inside value or outside value, but especially inside value because you've got the two-way trading. Very, very high probability trades right here. So you can do your flag patterns, like this was a triangle that broke out. But pay attention, and when price is moving outside value, stay with it. When it returns to value, be very careful in two-way trade. And that's why I think price is back inside value, and we're going to be seeing a roll on our stochastic and bring this back down. My 30-minute chart, like my other compressed Unirinco, I've got a roll happening. This is coming down. This is very weak momentum, as I noted last night. So we do not have enough strong momentum to push this back up above value. This is my 130 to 130 session chart, so I can get a smoother value area high and low for an average, but all my tricks. But here we go, a much lower momentum coming into today's report. So I'm expecting a pullback to yesterday's value high and to test yesterday's value low before coming back down here and checking our bottom. But today may be the Head and Shoulders breakout day that I've been waiting for. So we'll see. Good luck trading the reports today.